Coinbase filing confidentially for its IPO. This, of course, as Bitcoin is surging to record highs today. Let's go to Leslie Picker for those details. Leslie.
Hey, Kelly, this IPO has been in the works for a while, at least rumored to be so. But you're right, Coinbase announcing today that it has confidentially submitted a draft registration statement for an S1 with the SEC to go public. That process usually takes several months of questioning between the SEC and the company before it can actually disclose its prospectus, give us some insight into what its financials are, more about its business model, and so forth. But to your point, Bitcoin hitting record highs, this is a digital currency exchange. It makes sense that they'd at least be moving on that path toward an IPO to capitalize around some of the trends that we're seeing, especially as it relates to some institutional investors validating Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies as something that's here to stay, not really going anywhere. As for valuation, unclear at this time. I'm still making calls on that front as for what we can expect from a valuation standpoint. But most recently, the company in a private funding round in October of 2018, so about 2 years ago, was valued at $8 billion. So I think it's safe to say if they're looking for a valuation higher than that, that we could expect this IPO to come in around $1 billion or even greater than that. So more to come on this front, but Coinbase, just the latest company to file confidentially for an IPO as this IPO parade marches on into 2021, guys.
Yeah, Leslie, we were just talking about that, but just to be clear, there's probably no way this thing is coming in the next couple of weeks before year-end, anything like that. It's just a way of saying it could be coming in the first quarter.
Exactly. First quarter, possibly. That would be, I would say, the quickest timeline it could possibly go public if all goes well with the questioning with the SEC. But no, once you file your IPO, assuming that they've done so confidentially today and aren't just announcing it today, maybe they did it a couple weeks ago, that's possible, and just announced it today. But assuming they did file confidentially today, it would take probably months of back and forth with the SEC before we start to see some real traction as far as a roadshow, official marketing, as well as the, of course, document itself once it's flipped to being public so we can see it.